5 years ago, my mother had an accident at her work. After a big fall and having to recover from brain damage because she hit her skull and various hernias in her spine that made doctors that she will be able to walk again, the only reason that she ended up disabled, that she lost her job and she had many problems in her life was just a broken hand because of a misapplied plaster cast. What happened to her, it's not uncommon. Actually, 1 in every 4 patients in Mexico which use a plaster cast have a problem associated with the treatment, from skin ulcerations to amputations because of infected wounds and poor hygienic conditions, since you can wash while you're using a cast. That's why we started Mediprint, to help people recover their capabilities and regain control of their lives thanks to our orthotic and prosthetic devices. Only in Mexico, 450,000 people have a motor disability, mainly because of medical negligence, specifically in diabetic patients, trauma, or congenital reasons. That's why we developed the NovaCast, a safer and more comfortable alternative to traditional plaster casts, preventing people from ending up amputated. And for those who already are, we have developed prostheses, artificial limbs that cost only 2% of the cost of other prostheses commercially available before the rise of 3D printing manufacturing. We have a social business model in which the patients that need the help get their devices entirely for free, thanks to destined percentages and the help of big companies like Warner Brothers, which have sponsored our charity events. We're the first company in Mexico to get regulatory approval to 3D manufacture medical devices by the COFEPRIS, the FDA equivalent institution in our country. And having the biggest printing farm in our country with over 50 machines that can print metals, plastics, ceramics, and human cells, we also manufacture devices for other companies, a strategy that has helped us grow and that moves us closer to our goal, becoming the vending machine for medical devices or even 3D printed drugs with personalized doses for each patient. So, we expect to move and grow our manufacturing capabilities by directly placing and managing our machines in the hospitals, letting them produce their own devices without the need for a supply chain. The next year, we expect to raise our A series of funding for national growth to validate our in-hospital printing model and ultimately to print a better future. Thank you.